What's up, Soul Squad? What's up, everybody? It is what? Hump Day. Welcome back to the kitchen. Okay, Miss Roslyn, a subscriber out there who's been asking for a fried Oreo video. I know it's a thing. I'm watching everybody do it. I done seen the videos on it, but I was like, a fried Oreo? Really? Okay, guess what? I am doing it today. I broke down. I am doing a fried Oreo video. It's quick, it's easy, it's simple. All you need is what? Your favorite Oreo. I said Oreo. Your favorite Oreo. I am doing family size double stuff. All you need is your favorite Oreo. And I know why these Oreos never made it to the video. They smell so amazing when you open them up. Oh my God. Okay, so your favorite Oreo, double stuff, regular stuff, golden, whatever you like. Some pancake mix. Yes. Did she say pancake mix? Pancake mix. So basically, this is almost just like a Oreo surrounded by a pancake batter. Nevertheless, is what's going on in this kitchen. And some vegetable oil in the pan. And some water. So basically, you just mix. So it's a pancake mix, a pancake Oreo. Man, who thought of this? I know this is in carnivals and things like that, but really, people, really? And this is about how thick you want it. No thinner than that. I don't measure anything. This is about 1.5 cups of pancake mix. I didn't use a lot of water, you know, and that's it. It's that simple. This is it. So what I do need to do, I'm just gonna sit that right there. My grease is hot. I believe it's hot. It don't use water, but it's hot. Woo! You make it pop and hot. Okay, so basically you're gonna dip your Oreo in the pancake solution, and that's it. And I guess you're gonna shake it off, and you're gonna dip it in here. Dip your Oreo. Oh, make sure it don't come apart. I'm holding my Oreo, it's trying to fall apart. And see, I guess it get puffy. And those are my fingerprints. Maybe I should use some type of what's that thing called? Spoon, or
it's still gonna be on there.
It's still gonna have a spot on it, right? And yes, I'm using my hand because it's for what? My family. And they seem to brown really quick. They told me they cook really fast. So you don't have to, they cook really fast. It's a small pan, so I don't want to like, the grease was hot. Okay, guys, look like we getting some fried Oreos up in this house, up in this kitchen. Look at that. So they cook really quick. But let me see, especially when the grease is hot. Take my tongs and flip them. Yeah, look amazing. So, it's the first ones. Kind of get a nice golden brown. And they puff up. They're doing their thing. Oh my goodness. Did I believe I just made fried Oreos? Okay, so let's take them out. Make sure you have like a paper towel type situation going on to drain that grease, because at the end of the day, we all know this ain't healthy for nobody. Look at that. Let's do a couple of more. That grease is hot. This is a real quick video. Let's do a couple of more. I guess who want to try Oreo? A great snack for the kids. We're going to only do about 8 of them. We're going to stack them. Okay. I think I'm going to do one more. I'm going to get 5. And this is it. And then what we're going to do is get, I'll show the end result of my fried Oreo. That's crazy. It's quick, it's easy. If I can do it, anybody can do it, right? So we're gonna set this to the side. We're gonna clean this mess up, and we come back with our Oreos plated. Okay, guys. Quick, easy Oreo. So basically, I've seen people do the whole powdered sugar thing. I guess that's part of the whole decoration. So what I'm going to do is that I got my little teeny little mash. If you don't have a mash, you can use your hands. So I'm just going to do some for the bottom, and then we're going to top them all. You got to make them look pretty. I must agree, it jive light. I want to say jive light, smell good up in here. Then I got this one little last one. So there you go, guys. That's my hey, that's my fried Oreo. Hey, it smelled good, it looked amazing. So yeah, until my next video, guys, if you want to become a member, $1.99 a month. Hit the blue join button, but you gotta go on your laptop and computer to do it. For some reason, it's not on the phone. But yeah, become a member, get extra videos like this, and my flour is available. Everything is in the link below. Like, share, subscribe. Make sure you got your bell on to be notified. And happy hump day.